권투 시합이 한창인 경기장. 지켜보던 노장 트레이너 프랭키는 결국 직접 지혈에 나섭니다.
Leave a look at him. He's fine. He's fine. He ain't if you don't stop this bleeding. I'll give you one more round.
Seconds out. Let's go.
What do we do? Tell me what you do.
You let him hit you.
There are all kinds of combinations you come up against down in the different layers of meat. And Frankie knew how to work every one.
그때 관중 속으로 한 여성이 들어서는데 그녀의 눈에 노련하게 제자를 지도하는 프랭키의 모습이 보이죠.
People love violence. They'll slow down at a car wreck to check for bodies. Same people claim to love boxing. They got no idea what it is.
시합이 끝난 프랭키를 기다리고 있던 그녀.
I was on the undercard. I won my fight too. Maggie Fitzgerald?
Well, Maggie Fitzgerald, what's up?
Did you happen to see it?
Nope.
I did pretty good. Thought you might be interested in training me.
I don't train girls.
Maybe you should. People see me fight, say I'm pretty tough.
Girly, tough ain't enough.
프랭키가 운영 중인 낡은 복싱 체육관.
Thought I told you I didn't want Danger working out here anymore.
Oh, he ain't hurting nothing, Frankie.
Well, he's hurting me, breaking my heart, watching him punch the air like he was gonna punch back.
무뚝뚝하고 까칠한 프랭키와 달리 체육관을 관리하는 오랜 친구 스크랩은 정 많고 다정한 사람이었죠.
Hey, Scrap. Hey, Mr. Willett.
그때 스크랩은 체육관의 유망주 윌리가 다른 곳의 매니저들과 접촉하는 모습을 보게 되고
I just thought you might like to know you got a fighter out there not talking to another manager.
Not talking to another manager.
And Mikey Mac.
You came in here to tell me that Big Willie is not talking to Mickey Mac.
Not a word. Neither one of them.
I'm trying to read here.
You think that's more important? Who's your new girl?
What?
그녀는 경기장에서 마주쳤던 맥이었는데
Better hurry up. She keeps hitting it like that, you're gonna break her wrists.
Wasting your time. I told you I don't train girls.
냉담한 프랭키의 태도에도 맥이는 전혀 주눅들지 않죠.
Don't hardly need a dozen, boss. You'll do fine.
Don't call me boss now. I'm not your boss, and don't you be calling me that. Willie, you ready to work?
Anytime.
If I stop calling you boss, will you train me?
No.
Then I might as well just keep calling you it.
She came from southwestern Missouri. The hills outside the scratch-ass Ozark town of Theodosia. She grew up knowing one thing. She was trash.
어려운 형편 속에서도 웨이트리스로 일하며 꿈을 포기하지 않는 맥이.
It's for my dog.
She'd come 1,800 miles, but Theodosia was still just over the hill.
Working the bag, boss.
Not your boss. You have bags working you.
고단한 하루를 마무리하려던 그때 불이 꺼진 줄도 모른 채 훈련에 몰두하고 있는 맥이가 보이죠.
Can't think of it as a bag. I'm not a trainer, but I can show you this if you like.
Appreciate any help I can get.
기본기 없이 열정만 앞선 맥이에게 스크랩은 기초부터 하나씩 알려주는데
That keeps your head moving, and to keep one shoulder back, so you're always ready to fire a power shot. Right? Go ahead now. Good, good. Keep rotating, keep moving. That's it. Good, good. Keep that chin tucked in. Tuck that chin in now. Tuck that chin in. You get this down, we'll put you on a speed bag.
하루 벌어 하루를 버티는 그녀에게 자신만의 장비를 갖추는 건 너무나 버거운 일이었죠.
I'll just borrow it till I can buy my own.
Right, you going on now?
Would it bother you much if I worked a little longer?
Just pull the door closed when you leave.
Thank you.
다음 날
All right, that's enough. That's enough for the day. I'll give you a rub.
Oh, I can't, Frankie. Middle one's got a piano lesson. I told Grace I'd drive.
Man, to rub down Hoa today doesn't want one.
You ever do any work around here?
Not my job. I'd worry about if I was you. Little girl seems to be coming along.
Yeah. It's almost like someone's been helping her.
She might just be a natural.
She's got my speed bag. That's what she's got.
프랭키는 스피드백을 돌려받기 위해 매기에게 다가가는데
And if you're hitting it, people will think I'm training you.
Was that such a bad thing, boss?
Yes, yes, it is. Every time you touch it, you're losing me business out here.
I gotta agree, I am embarrassing myself.
Well, I can't just lend it to anybody, you know.
I understand.
Look, you seem like a nice girl. Can I give you some advice?
I'd appreciate that.
You-
안타깝지만 현실을 일깨워주는 프랭키.
But the only trouble is they're going to be wasting your time because you're too old.
I don't feel that old.
Well, neither do I, but you don't see me fighting 21-year-olds, do you? It takes about 4 years to train a fighter. How old are you?
31 until my next birthday.
Well, there you go, 31.
Well, sorry for using your bag, Mr. Dunn.
Yeah. Here.
끝내 마음이 약해진 프랭키는 스피드백을 그녀에게 내어주죠.
No, take the bag. Just enjoy it, will you?
I'll just borrow it till I buy my own.
Yeah. Just don't lose it.
늦은 밤 갑작스레 찾아온 윌리는 프랭키가 상상조차 하지 못한 말을 꺼냅니다.
I gotta leave you, Frankie.
Willie, the title's just 2 fights away.
It ain't that. It's like you said. I got one shot. If I win, I gotta make as much as I can while I can. I need somebody in the action who can make things happen. And I gotta make the change before the fight. Only way this guy say he'd take me is if he took me to the title.
So I get to the title fight, and this guy takes you there.
I know how long you're waiting on a title. I wish you could have been with me.
Mickey Mac's a businessman. He can't teach you nothing.
You already taught me everything I need to know.
믿었던 제자에게 외면당한 친구를 보며 덩달아 마음이 씁쓸해지는 스크랩.
Willie, tell you why.
It's Mickey. Mickey's got the connections.
Well, it ain't about connections, Frankie. It's about you not believing in him.
Well, I found him. I stuck with him for 8 years. How's that for not believing in him?
You could have got him a title fight 2 years ago. Hell, he knew that. I'm amazed he stayed around this long.
Yeah, well, getting there and taking home the belt are 2 different things. What was I supposed to do? Just put him in over his head? Not protect him?
Oh, you were protecting him from the championship.
Yeah.
Well, now it makes sense.
Well, what about you, Scrap? What did your manager do? You were a hell of a fighter, a lot better than Willie. He get you a title fight, or did he just bust you out banging your head against other people's fists until you lost your eye?
I had my shot. I went out swinging, and no man can say I didn't.
Yeah, well,
감정이 격해진 프랭키는 선을 넘게 되고
I didn't want my fighter spending the second half of his life cleaning up other people's spit.
Well, you just protected yourself out of a championship fight.
매기는 언젠가 찾아올 기회를 꿈꾸며 하루하루를 열심히 살아가죠. 그리고 다가온 윌리의 챔피언전.
Boxing is an unnatural act. Because everything in it is backwards. You want to move to the left, you don't step left, you push on the right toe. To move right, you use your left toe. Instead of running from the pain like a sane person would do, you step into it.
그렇게 윌리는 새로운 챔피언 자리에 오르죠.
Champion of the world! It's unbelievable how this has taken place tonight. But there you have it, folks. A new champion.
뻣뻣한 마음에 체육관을 찾은 프랭키의 눈에 늦은 밤까지 연습에 몰두한 매기가 보이는데
You're not breathing right, that's why you're panting. So it's your birthday, huh? How old does that make you?
I'm 32, Mr. Dunn. And I'm here celebrating the fact that I spent another year scraping dishes and waitressing, which is what I've been doing since 13.
매기는 가혹한 현실의 벽 앞에서 힘든 시간을 보내고 있었죠.
Which after working this feedback for a month, getting nowhere, I now realize may be God's simple truth. Other truth is, my brother's in prison. My sister cheats on welfare by pretending one of her babies is still alive. My dad is dead, and my mama weighs 312 pounds. If I was thinking straight, I'd go back home, find a used trailer, buy a deep fryer and some Oreos. The problem is, this is the only thing I ever felt good doing. If I'm too old for this, then I got nothing. That enough truth to suit you? I want a trainer. I don't want charity, and I don't want favors. If you're not interested, then I got more celebrating to do.
어쩐지 자신의 처지와 닮아있는 듯한 모습에 마음이 흔들리는 프랭키.
If I'm going to take you on,
You won't never regret it.
look, just listen to me. If I take you on,
I promise I'll work so hard.
God, this is a mistake already.
I'm listening, boss.
I'm going to teach you how to fight. Then we'll get you a manager, and I'm off down the road.
Well, I hate to argue with you, but
Don't argue with me. That's the only way we're doing it. I teach you all you need to know, and then you go off and you make $1 million.
프랭키는 기초부터 하나씩 가르쳐 나가고
Just keep practicing.
You show them how to stand, keep their legs under their shoulders. To make a fighter, you gotta strip them down to bare wood.
Rest when you're dead.
You can't just tell them to forget everything you know. You gotta make them forget it in their bones.
매기는 가르침을 온몸으로 흡수하며 성장하죠.
And how to flex your knees when you fire a jab.
think I might be ready for a fight, boss.
Well, we'll get a manager and we'll find out, won't we?
I like to, but you've been keeping me too busy. Got any family, boss?
What?
You're spending all this time with me. I didn't know if you had any.
Well, I've got a daughter, Katie.
그는 처음으로 가족 이야기를 꺼내놓는데
We're not exactly close. Used to be real athletic. Don't know if she kept it up.
So, what do you think? I ready for a fight?
별다른 말 없이 다른 매니저를 소개하는 프랭키.
Hey, Sally. Sally here's a real good manager. Has a couple of Golden Glove boys. Looking for a girl, Sally?
I'm looking for a good one.
Well, see, there you go.
지난 상처가 아직 아물지 않은 프랭키는 매기를 떠나보내는 선택을 하고 맙니다.
So you want to give this a try? See if it's a fit?
Yeah, sure.
예상보다 빨리 매기의 첫 시합이 성사되고
What am I doing wrong, Sally? Every time I get inside, she's on me.
You're doing great. You're wearing her down. Just keep punching.
I ain't doing great. I'm losing.
You're wearing her down.
하지만 그건 올바른 해결책이 아니었죠.
Your left. Keep your left up.
Wouldn't have been my choice for a first fight, but Salah's a good manager. Must think she can take her.
Jesus, H. Your left. Keep your left up.
He thinks he can hear you from back here. Of course, if Maggie loses, wouldn't mean anything to Sally. Might even help him. Lonnie's girl gets another win. Lonnie might let Sally's lightweight fight Joey Adagio for the title.
보다 못한 프랭키가 직접 나서는데
Hey, come here. Come here.
Hey, get over here.
You're dropping your left hand. Quit dropping your left hand.
Hey, Frankie, you mind if I talk to my fighter?
Well, you're doing a hell of a job of it, Sally. Is this the way you advise your lightweight?
Done. What the hell are you doing?
I'm talking. What are you doing?
Is this your fighter? It's my fighter.
It ain't fitting her well, Sally.
Fine, you take her. She can't fight worth a shit anyway.
Somebody tell me what's going on.
Look, I was late. Sally was just subbing for me.
You're telling me this is your fighter?
Yeah, this is my fighter.
Then you got 10 seconds.
프랭키는 승부를 뒤집을 전략을 내놓죠.
She thinks she knows you, that's all. Every time you drop it, she comes right over the top. So you just wait for her, see? That's all she's thinking about. And when she cocks that big right hand, you hear me?
I hear, boss.
And when she does, you step to the side and come over with this big good night hook. You got one?
Got her right here.
Okay, go give it to her.
The body knows what fighters don't. How to protect itself. A neck can only twist so far. Twist it just a hair more. And the body says, hey, I'll take it from here, because you obviously don't know what you're doing.
See the way she did that? Yeah.
경기에 임하며 가장 중요한 규칙을 일러주는 프랭키.
My left up?
Is to protect yourself at all times. Now, what is the rule?
Protect myself at all times.
Good, good.
남다른 투지와 열정으로 링에 오른 매기는 나서는 경기마다 1라운드 만에 상대를 때려 눕히며 파죽지세로 승리해 나가고
I got the breathing thing down.
You ain't breathing because you're knocking them out in the first round, that's what.
Thought that was the point.
The point is to get good. You can't get good if you keep knocking them out in the first round. How am I going to get you fights? Nobody wants to see their fighter embarrassed now.
Why am I still doing 4-rounders, boss?
Because you haven't got the lungs for 6 rounds, that's why.
I do if I keep knocking them out in the first round.
Maggie left no doubt about it.
어느덧 실력을 인정받아 한 단계 높은 6라운드 경기 무대에 오르게 되죠.
Maggie didn't knock her out till the end of the first round. After that, no manager wanted to put his fighter in with Maggie.
같은 체급의 상대를 더 이상 구할 수 없게 되자 프랭키는 큰 도박을 거는데
He moved her up in class. That could have been a mistake.
코뼈가 부러지며 출혈이 쉽게 멈추지 않죠.
Dang, fix it.
I can't.
You can fix it.
I can't, I've got to call it.
I seen what you can do. Fix it.
Look, I can snap it back into place, but I can't stop the bleeding. The ring doctor's gonna call it.
Please, Frank, if you can stop the blood, I can beat her.
Bite down on this.
프랭키는 매기를 믿고 임시 치료에 나섭니다.
All right, you got 20 seconds before this turns into a geyser and it's gonna spray all over the front row. 20 seconds, that's all you've got. Now get going.
이후 새로운 체급에서도 12연속 KO승을 거두며 마침내 빅매치의 기회를 얻게 되죠.
The first was to fight Billy the Blue Bear Osterman for the WBA welterweight title. Billy was a former prostitute out of East Berlin. Had a reputation for being the dirtiest fighter in the ranks. Didn't seem to matter to her that something like that could kill a person. He turned it down without even telling her. The next was to fight the British champ, a Jamaican girl Billy just beat.
Hello? Not interested.
He turned that down too.
계속되는 프랭키의 거절 속 스크랩은 조용히 매기를 부르는데
I met Frankie right after my 37th birthday. He was picking up cut work. He used to patch me up when I thought it was impossible. He stayed with me through my last fight in San Bernardino. I was taking a hellacious beating. Both rounds, this cut opens up. Blood starts pouring into my eye.
프랭키는 수건을 던져 기권을 선언하려 했지만 매니저가 아닌 그에게는 그럴 권한이 없었죠.
I go 15 rounds. Lose by decision. Next morning, I lose the eye. Frankie thinks he should have stopped that fight. Should have saved my eye. Spends his life wishing he could take back that 109th fight. If you want to get to the title, maybe he's not the one to take you there.
매기의 간절함을 누구보다 잘 알았던 스크랩의 배려였습니다.
Mr. Mickey Mac? I'm Maggie Fitzgerald. I hear you're a real good manager doing good things for Big Willie. But I thought you should know I ain't never leaving Mr. Dunn. So you don't need to make any more excuses to bump into me. Sorry for interrupting your dinner.
한편 딸에게 쓴 편지들은 오늘도 현관 앞에서 프랭키를 맞이하고
The letters always came back marked the same way. Return to sender.
오랜 고민 끝에 프랭키는 매기를 위해 영국 챔피언과의 타이틀 매치를 허락하죠.
Hey, get the hell down. How old I am.
Thank you, boss. Thank you so much.
Look, I got your gift here.
I think they gave you somebody else's.
No. This is it.
What's it mean?
I don't know. It's just something in Gaelic.
It's beautiful.
I thought so.
Yeah.
Real silk thread.
모쿠시라라는 닉네임을 달고 영국 무대에 오르는 매기.
She wasn't the main attraction. She was on the undercard of a middleweight title fight. But ask someone who was there. They couldn't tell you who else fought that night.
가운에 적힌 게이러에 아일랜드 관객들은 매기를 부르며 열광하기 시작했고
She's tough. I can't get inside. I can't get close enough to hit her.
You know why that is?
Why?
She's a better fighter than you are, that's why. She's younger, she's stronger, and she's more experienced. Now, what are you gonna do about it?
그동안의 고된 훈련으로 이미 답을 알고 있는 그녀였습니다.
Whatever it meant, the name stuck. Maggie fought in Edinburgh and Paris, Brussels and Amsterdam. It was always Mo Kushla. Seems there are Irish people everywhere, or people who want to be.
다시 미국으로 돌아왔을 때 매기는 더 이상 무명이 아닌 명실상부한 스타가 되어 있었죠.
After that, they got another offer to fight for the title.
What's the split?
60-40.
Good. We'll take 60 and you take 40, being that Maggie's the draw.
Oh, that little girl?
You think I'm wrong, really? You think people are saying that they want to see some scabby crowd beat up on little Miss What's-Her-Name? You find someone who says that, and we'll take the 40.
피땀 흘려 모은 파이트 머니로 매기는 꿈에 그리던 새 집을 가족에게 선물하지만
You shouldn't have done it. You should have asked me first. Darling, government's gonna find out about this house. They're gonna stop my welfare.
Mama, no, they ain't.
Yeah, they are. You're fine. You're working, but I can't live without my welfare.
Mama, I send you money.
What about my medicine? Medicaid gonna cut me off.
고마워하기는커녕 정부 혜택이 줄어들까 오히려 딸을 나무라죠.
Why don't you just give me the money? Would you have to buy me a house?
I didn't have to, Mama. But it's yours. You want the money? Sell it.
돌아오는 차 안, 매기는 아버지와의 추억을 떠올리며 프랭키에게서 그 시절의 온기를 느낍니다.
I got nobody but you, Frankie.
Well, you've got me. At least that is until we find you a good manager.
평소 레몬파이를 좋아하던 프랭키를 위해 근처 맛집으로 안내하는 매기.
Now I can die and go to heaven.
I used to come here with Daddy.
마침내 확정된 챔피언전을 위해 라스베이거스로 떠날 채비를 하는 두 사람.
Would you rather fly or would you rather drive?
So, finally get to decide something?
That's what I'm saying.
Fine. Fly there, drive back.
That's the stupidest thing I've ever heard of. How the hell are we gonna do that?
Said it was up to me.
프랭키와 매기가 라스베이거스로 떠나고 스크랩은 평소와 다름없이 체육관을 지키고 있는데
Hey, old school. Toilets overflow. Hey, Flippy, come here for a minute.
그때 체육관의 골칫덩이 쇼렐이 스파링을 핑계로 어수룩한 데인저를 괴롭히는 모습이 보이죠.
Hey, come on now, Flip. What you doing? Let him go.
I got you. Come on, come on, come on.
Oh, come on, Flip, man. You ain't done. You ain't even fight good yet.
Anybody can lose one fight. Anybody can lose one, son. You'll come back from this. You'll be champion of the world.
Oh, Miss Gray. I should have known.
Come on, old school, man. We don't need to be talking.
I know I can do it. Just untie the Velcro for me.
Mind if I borrow this danger?
Oh, man. I thought your name was Danger. Oh, I see. Now I get to fight a retard and an old man. Call ESPN, because you can't write this shit.
스크랩은 한쪽 글러브만 낀 채 건방진 쇼렐을 제대로 참교육시킵니다.
110. Get a job, punk.
Win this one, I'll tell you what it means. I got you some pipers.
사람들의 뜨거운 응원 속에 무대 위로 오르는 매기.
In this corner, the challenger, Maggie Fitzgerald, in the red corner. In the blue corner, the WBA welterweight champion of the world, Billy the Blue Bear.
매기는 링을 돌며 빌리를 밀어붙이는데 위협적인 반칙을 다행히 잘 피해내는 매기.
You do that one more time, it'll cost you a point. You hear me? Go fight.
하지만 악명 높은 빌리는 계속해 반칙을 저지릅니다.
That's it. I'm going to take away a point. 1 point deduction at the blue corner. Here we go.
Looking good.
You pull that crap one more time, you're disqualified.
2라운드가 시작되고 순식간에 상대에게서 다운을 빼앗죠. 왼쪽 눈의 부상으로 앞이 잘 보이지 않는 매기.
What do I do about the bear?
You know, they're stepping to the outside and hooking the liver.
I've been doing her. She's made of steel.
I know, but I don't want you to go to the liver this time. I want you to hit it right up under her skinny ass, understand? Right in the sciatic nerve. Just keep digging it in there, digging it in.
이에는 이 반칙에는 반칙으로 맞서며 응수하는데 경기장의 열기는 더욱 뜨거워지고 그런데 그때 경추가 골절되며 매기는 하루아침에 전신마비 상태가 되고 맙니다.
How you feeling, Don?
I want a beard, boss.
I thought it might help me with the ladies.
Can't say it does. Did you see the fight?
Of course I did. You had a cold, Maggie.
I shouldn't have dropped my hands. Always protect myself how many times he tell me
He does like to repeat himself.
프랭키는 미국 전역의 병원을 수소문하지만 그녀를 치료할 수 있는 의사를 찾지 못했고
She developed skin ulcers because she couldn't change positions. We made the 6-hour trip by ambulance.
Fly there, drive back.
매기는 재활센터로 옮겨져 기약 없는 투병 생활을 이어가죠.
Since she couldn't breathe on her own, her respirators were always on. Oxygen was pumped into her 24 hours a day. Maggie's mama called to say they were all coming for a visit. She waited by the window every day for the next 2 weeks. Frankie finally tracked them down. Learned they checked into their hotel 6 days earlier. Kept leaving messages which were never returned.
그러던 어느 날 소식 없던 매기의 가족들이 갑자기 나타나는데
Hi, I'm Frankie Dunn. I met you back out in Missouri.
Where's my little girl?
Well, don't you think you ought to go back to the hotel and change? She doesn't know you've been here a week visiting Woody and Mickey.
We got business with my sister. Why don't you just tell us where she is?
뻔뻔하게 관광을 즐기고 온 것도 모자라 변호사까지 대동한 가족.
Come on, let's go.
It's just some kind of legal thing.
What is it?
결국 이들의 목적은 보상금이었습니다.
Just something legal to protect your money.
Mama, you don't have to worry. The boxing commission's paying for all this, everything.
What if they don't marry him? Mr. Johnson says they can take my house.
If you assign your assets to your mother, no one will be able to touch them.
No doctors, no funeral expenses, nothing.
Yeah, look, why don't you just leave it, and then I'll just read it to her later on.
Mr. Dunn, with respect, this ain't your business.
All right. I'll be out in the hall.
You sign that paper, it'll take care of your family the way your daddy would have wanted you to. Here you go, honey.
사인하기 전 매기는 한 가지를 묻는데
Did you see the fight, Mama?
You lost, Mary M. Ain't your fault the way I heard it, but you lost. Don't want to lose the rest of what you got left. Here you go.
What happened to you?
Well, what's that supposed to mean?
Mama, you take Mardale and JD and get home. Before I tell that lawyer there that you're so worried about your welfare, you never signed those house papers like you're supposed to. So anytime I feel like it, I can sell that house from under your fat, lazy hillbilly ass. And if you ever come back, that's exactly what I'll do.
심해진 욕창으로 결국 다리를 절단하는 수술까지 받게 되며 매기는 이제 기적조차 바랄 수 없는 처지가 되고 맙니다.
Need to know what my kushla means.
Well, you didn't win. I don't have to tell you. Looking at this catalog from City College, I thought I'd get you a wheelchair, maybe the kind that operates by blowing through a straw. I thought maybe you'd like to go back to school.
프랭키는 매기에게 어떻게든 살아야 할 이유를 찾아주려 애쓰지만
I can't be like this, Frankie. Not after what I done. I seen the world. People chanted my name. You think I ever dreamed that happened? I was born at 2 pounds, 1.5 ounces. Daddy used to tell me I fought to get into this world. And I'd fight my way out. That's all I want to do, Frankie. I got what I needed. I got it all. Don't let me lie here till I can't hear those people chant no more.
하지만 그건 프랭키로서는 도저히 받아들일 수 없는 부탁이었죠.
In the middle of the night, Mag had found her own solution. She'd bit her tongue.
Look at me. Look at me.
Nearly bled to death before they stitched her up. She came around and ripped him out before Frankie even got there. They stitched her up again, patted the tongue so she couldn't bite.
깊은 고뇌에 빠진 프랭키는 신부를 찾아가 괴로운 마음을 털어놓는데
But now she wants to die. And I just want to keep her with me. By keeping her alive, I'm killing her. You know what I mean? How do I get around that?
You don't. You step aside, Frankie. You leave her with God.
She's not asking for God's help. She's asking for mine.
Frankie, I've seen you at Mass almost every day for 23 years. The only person who comes to church that much is the kind who can't forgive himself for something. Whatever sins you're carrying, they're nothing compared to this. Forget about God or heaven and hell. If you do this thing, you'll be lost.
마음의 정리를 끝낸 프랭키 곁으로 스크랩이 조용히 다가오죠.
And you made her the best fighter she could be. Maggie walked through that door with nothing but guts. No chance in the world of being what she needed to be. A year and a half later, she's fighting for the championship of the world. You did that. People die every day, Frankie. Mopping floors, washing dishes. And you know what their last thought is? I never got my shot. Because of you, Maggie got her shot. If she dies today, you know what her last thought will be? I think I did all right. I know I could rest with that.
모든 준비를 마친 뒤 무거운 발걸음으로 병원에 들어서는 프랭키.
I'm gonna get a cup of coffee. Yeah.
All right. I'm going to disconnect your air machine. And you're going to go to sleep. And I'll give you a shot and you'll stay asleep. Kushla means my darling, my blood.
인간으로서의 존엄을 끝까지 지키고 싶었던 매기와 그 마지막 짐을 짊어진 프랭키는 그렇게 작별 인사를 나눕니다.
He gave her a single shot. It was enough adrenaline to do the job a few times over. He didn't want her going through this again. Then he walked out. I don't think he had anything left.
이후 프랭키의 모습은 볼 수 없었죠.
Frankie didn't leave a note, and nobody knew where he went. I'd hoped he'd gone to find you and ask you one more time to forgive him. But maybe he didn't have anything left in his heart. I just hope he found some place where he could find a little peace.
끝내 딸에게 용서받지 못한 친구를 대신해 진심을 전하는 스크랩의 나지막한 목소리를 끝으로 영화는 마무리됩니다.
No matter where he is, I thought you should know what kind of man your father really was.